How to subtract similar fractions or fractions with the same denominators. Number 1, 7/8 minus 5/8 is equal to 2/8. Since 2/8 is not yet in its lowest term, we have to divide both by 2. So we get the final answer of 1/4. Number 2, 9/10 minus 4/10 is equal to 5/10. This can still be reduced by 5. So the final answer is 1/2. Number 3, 11/12 minus 4/12. 11 minus 4 is 7/12. Since this is already a proper fraction and it is in its simplest form, then 7/12 is the final answer. Number 4, 7 and 5/8 minus 2 and 3/8. This time, you subtract the whole numbers first. 7 minus 2, 5. 5/8 minus 3/8 is equal to 2/8. 2/8 can still be reduced by 2, so we get 5 and 1/4 as our final answer. Number 5, 10 and 5/9 minus 4 and 1/9 is equal to 6 and 4/9. Since 4/9 cannot be reduced anymore, then this is our final answer. Number 6, 8 and 2/9 minus 5 and 5/9. In this example, we cannot subtract the whole numbers and the fractions right away because our fraction 2/9 cannot be subtracted by 5/9. We have to do something. We have to rename or regroup 8. Since we cannot subtract 2/9 by 5/9, we have to borrow one whole from 8. So 8 becomes 7, and that one whole that we borrowed must be returned. Of course, when we borrow something, we have to return it. Return it in terms of the denominator 9. So 1 whole now is written as 9/9. So bring down 7 and then add 9/9 and 2/9. So we have 11/9. So 8 and 2/9 is renamed or regrouped as 7 and 11/9. Then bring down minus 5 and 5/9. Now we can subtract the whole numbers and the fraction. So 7 minus 5, we get 2. 11/9 minus 5/9, we get 6/9. Now 6 and 9 can still be reduced by 3. So the final answer is 2 and 2/3. Number 7, 5 and 1/8 minus 1 and 5/8. Here we cannot subtract 1/8 by 5/8. So we have to rename or regroup 5 by borrowing 1 from it. 5 minus 1 is 4. And the one that we borrowed must be returned and expressed in terms of the denominator 8. So it is 8/8. Now you bring down 4 and then add 8/8 and 1/8. So we get 9/8. Then bring down minus 1 and 5/8. Now we can subtract the mixed numbers. So 4 minus 1 is 3. 9/8 minus 5/8 is 4/8. 4 and 8 can still be divided by 4. So our final answer is 3 and 1/2. Please be informed that there is another way to do this, but I will not show it anymore. I want you to discover it yourself. For your exercises, subtract the following fractions and mixed numbers. All final answers should be in its simplest form. Please pause the video if you want to do this yourself and replay it for the answers. The following are the answers for number 1 to 6 items. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel and share this experience with your friends. Again, whatever problems we have, whether in math or in life, there is always one or more solutions. In adding and subtracting similar fractions, the process is not quite long because the denominators are similar. Likewise, in life, it is easier to make resolutions when both parties have similar understanding and perspective. This is Teacher Zilla, reaching out to you from Cagayan de Oro, your Pinay Math teacher.